What's up, bro? Can you even walk away, bro?
Bro,
What's up, bro?
it's a prank, bro.
J Supreme
Slay, okay. Oh, okay. Hey man, HB Baby J back with another video, you feel me? You watching Hustle Boy TV. Today we got a slapper, we got a banger, we got a knocker for y'all boys today. Hey, we're just gonna be doing a sneezing prank mixed in with a little bit of the stealing groceries. I'm gonna stay consistent, man. I'm trying to stay consistent, but you know I'm busy with school and I got a lot of other things on my plate, you feel me? But we're gonna drop this banger for y'all boys, but y'all cannot forget to like, comment, and subscribe, man. That's gonna help me out the most. Y'all gonna be helping me proceed. And if y'all wanna see consistency, I need all three of those. I love y'all, man. Hey, let's get on to this video though, you feel me? Yeah, hey.
That's uncensored, bro. We need to censor it. But I don't do my baby. That's for Halloween, right? Isn't it for Halloween? Yeah. So get a card?
What's up, bro? Can you even walk away, bro?
Bro,
What's up, bro?
it's a prank, bro. Hey, bro.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
He got me, it's a prank.
Wait till they got him. I just saw the fucking gang. Wait.